It's so pretty. Just look at it. I'm doing the John Angel thing. Just look at it. Yo, check it out, guys. So we are gonna be using a new GoPro. So we're gonna see how the footage is today. I got the Hero 7 right now recording, and this is the Hero 9 Black. Pretty much got the little bundle package. I only got this for like 300 bucks. So can't complain. But I don't know how the audio is going to be, because normally I use this filter right here, and I noticed that this one's a little bit bigger. So we're going to see how this foam piece goes on. This is what helps with my audio a little bit, because I don't have an internal mic. But let's get out there and start riding and see how the footage is. So, you guys might be wondering what's going on right now, and it is very late. It is past 2 in the morning. I'm pretty sure this Onyx display is probably washed out and you can't see it. That's how it normally is. This video that I'm making right now is all over the place, and if you want to know what I mean by that is, I got a new GoPro, and this is my 3rd time riding. Actually, let me go through here. I'm sorry. This is the 3rd time that I'm riding to try to test out the GoPro, because I put it on the stock settings. The stock settings didn't work that great. So then I read a guy that said to change the settings to here, and when I rode, it was actually garbage. So all my footage like isn't really like usable. I wasted a whole day recording stuff, and the night footage was just so dark I couldn't see anything. It was horrible. I couldn't use it. And the ride to work, I guess in 5K the standard setting is horizon mode, which it zooms into your it's a linear mode, but then it zooms in, and you couldn't even see the bike. It was just staring straight at the ground. And I also noticed that since I'm not using a case with this GoPro, I noticed that it has to be put more at an angle because it was pointing too far down. So anyway, this is my 3rd attempt. I adjusted some settings, and I am out here freezing my ass off. I'm in some shorts, if you can see that. So this is gonna definitely be added into the video if it is looking good, and the night mode, it's not too dark and nothing's blown out. I'm just trying to get the settings dialed in correctly, and especially with the audio too. I don't have any wind noise for audio, so I'm really hoping it's coming through okay. And I also ordered a new foam piece that's gonna fit this GoPro in particular. The one I have on it right now is from the 7, and it doesn't fit very well. I'm really hoping this GoPro was worth the money. It's a Hero 9. I probably said it in a bunch of clips, but I don't know what I'm using for this video yet, so everything's gonna be all over the place. But it's supposed to be better. I want to start filming in 5K, and then maybe I'll just downsample it and put it into a 4K video, so maybe it'll look a little bit clear. I'm not 100% sure on what I want to do yet, but I want to test out the night footage before I start my day tomorrow and leave for work and it's totally like messed up again. So that's pretty much it. I'm almost doing 2 miles by the time I get back to the house. This is pretty much gonna be a GoPro video. So I'm in this clip, and we'll see where the video takes us. There might be some clips after this for the next day. What's up, guys? Okay, so I don't know what clips are gonna be before this video. It might be the night riding clip I just did last night at 2 in the morning. And if it is, that was my 3rd time recording with this GoPro. This is now my 4th time recording. We're doing 5K, 30 frames a second. We're doing wide. We can't do super wide in 5K. I think that's only a 4K option on this camera. I'm trying, there's another setting. We got no wind noise added on to the GoPro. And the biggest difference is I think Hyper Smooth is on, which cuts about 15% of the video. Make sure I close everything. Hyper Smooth cuts about a 10% crop. So I'm really hoping it looks okay, and if it doesn't, I don't think I'm gonna be recording in 5K anymore. It might be 4K 60 frames a second, and then I'll probably edit it to 30 just in case I need to slow anything down. But that's where we're at. So I hope stuff in the video is looking a lot better. All this footage I've been doing has just been horrible. I also don't know if I'm having a issue with my GoPro. What's been happening is I've been having to take the battery out and put it back in for the GoPro to actually work and turn on. I have no idea why it's doing that. It's kind of weird. Well, let's hope the wind noise isn't too bad. I did order the foam piece that I do need that fixes GoPro a lot better, and hopefully that will fix a lot of the noise. I do have one on it right now from the GoPro 7, but it just doesn't fit right. It's bigger. Oh, they could have went. I really want to put my other GoPro on my handlebars, but what I'm thinking about doing is getting a handlebar mount, and I'm going to put that on my handlebar so I can get some random footage here and there to add into the video, so it's not just my point of view. You can kind of see me riding and stuff like that. I'll be honest, I don't even know why I came this way to work. I guess I got the time. It's not really the way I like to take. It's not the safest route compared to taking Polk. Someone's bumping over there. Lowered Integra. It's getting so hot in California that I don't even want to wear a jacket. Even when I get off around 11 p.m. I don't even want to have a jacket on. I can go without one. And I get home and I still feel kind of warm. During the day, hopefully I turn it off. I'm in no rush today, or I would go through traffic, but I don't really feel like it. Everyone brought their cars out today. Messing up his hair in the car is like fixing it, putting some gel in it. Kind of funny. I'm not really sure what to talk about in this video. I had a bunch of stuff I was talking about when I first got the GoPro, when I first went out, and now I don't even know what footage I'm going to use, and I hate to repeat myself a lot. I feel like one of my brakes are rubbing, or I got regen on, because my bike never really slows down that fast. So I don't know which one it is. Maybe the front's starting to make some weird old noises. A lot of you guys need to get your bikes down to Fresno so we can ride. If one of these days you guys make a trip out here, I don't care if it's just one of you or a couple of you, just give me a heads up. A few weeks at least, because I had to request a day off, I think 2 weeks ahead of time. Or if you just plan on wanting to come down, I can give you one of my days off that I actually have available. It might be kind of last minute, but maybe we can go and ride or do something. I'm thinking about buying a trailer, a hitch receiver for my Fiesta ST. I think the one that I saw, I think it holds up to 200 pounds, which is good for my bike. I'm not getting a bike rack for two. The Onyx is really heavy by itself, and I'm not putting both of those on the back of my Fiesta. But at least, you know, at least I can bring, you know, this bike with me where I go. Once we definitely get more places, oh, there's a cop, so I gotta be careful. Once I definitely can take my my bike more places, I think it'd be better. Got some really good footage. But yeah, so once I get a receiver and a hitch, I'm definitely gonna be taking this bike out, and if I can make it to the local park here, it's a bunch of dirt paths, and there's some bike jumps back there. I'm not planning on doing them, but I'll probably put the dirt tires back on and get some off-road footage. Probably get this bike hella dirty, but if I know I can ride over there for a good 30 minutes to an hour in the dirt, God, that'd be so much fun. I love this bike, and I make the same route every single day, and I still love this bike. And I know for sure if I can take my car places, I just feel like it just makes it so much better. I would go all the way up there, but I don't really feel like it. No rush today. I can't wait until go to Vegas. We might be missing some videos here and there when I go to Vegas. That's gonna be at the end of this month. I can't wait to go down to Vegas. I won't have my bike. It's not an e-bike trip or anything. I'm just going to Vegas, just kind of get out of town and go do something. But my buddy Ruben Soul, he lives out in Vegas, and he has a Super 73. And he has a Sur-Ron, and they're both modified, but power wise they're both stock. And I'm probably gonna be on the Super 73 and he'll be on the Sur-Ron, and we'll probably just make a collab video together, you know, just to get some footage and, you know, have a good time. Probably visit him for a little bit, because, you know, the trip is mostly me and my girl. But I figured I'd just go down there real quick. You might have seen that guy. He makes a bunch of pranks on YouTube on the strip. So it'll be super cool to make a video with him. I don't even think he's made a video himself with his bike. Just does a lot of live streams now. So I think that'd be pretty fun. But just know that I probably won't have any videos around that time. Also, I got graduation coming up. Alright, well that's pretty much the video. That's pretty much you. That's all I really wanted to do. You know, let's go behind the store. Oh, do I want to go behind the store? Yeah, I mean. Let's check it out back here. Then we'll go inside. And then I'll see you guys at nighttime. And I really hope that the nighttime footage is not bad whatsoever. It shouldn't be. I raised the ISO on the camera to, I think, 6400, and if it's too grainy, I'm gonna drop it back down to max at 3200. But I think I had it at 800, and the footage was just, it was garbage. Literally passing garbage, talking about garbage. I planned that. So yeah, we're here. I'll see you guys at nighttime. And hopefully you're liking the new footage from the new GoPro.